Who's made a cake in 10 minutes?
I also heard we're being judged. Is that true?
I'm sorry.
Do you need any
Please don't marry me. This is easier wet than done.
With the knot.
Your task is a tough one, and you've only got a few minutes, 10 to be exact, to complete. Wait, for real? Everything you should need is set out on the table for you. XO, the knot.
I think we need to get in uniform.
Oh, this is so much smarter than white because baking is messy.
Ready? Start. Now.
You're putting that down first?
Yes, it's some, no, don't, I mean, I guess you could copy me, but it's so that it won't move around.
So it sticks better. That's genius.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what I love about this challenge?
No.
I'm good at time management and you're not. I love working under pressure. Slow and steady wins the race. How's that going over there?
Stop, I'm getting really nervous now. The fruit go in the layers? Don't have time.
All right, and just to throw you all off, I'm gonna ask you some questions. How far in advance should you book your cake baker?
I would say 3 to 6 months because they are probably baking other things and they probably have a bakery. So that would be my thought. Steph?
Well, what if I made it?
I think there's gonna be a lot going on before our wedding.
Well, I would
and
have
that's
more than 10
probably
minutes.
the last thing I'd want you to do. I love how nervous this is making you.
Stop. The icing needs to be the star.
Okay, you're getting married in the summer. Do you get fondant or buttercream frosting?
Fondant, probably.
Fondant, yeah, buttercream's gonna get too warm. You need to keep buttercream cold.
But who actually
cold,
says,
cold.
fondant, my favorite flavor?
It's true.
No, I can't believe I'm doing this without a crumb coat.
I feel like we're in a pretty
I feel like my
tight
heart
race.
is racing.
2 minutes.
Oh, that's not enough
Stop
time.
it, stop. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Oh wow, yours looks really nice.
Thank you. Oh my God, these blueberries are massive.
I feel really good about mine. We're good.
10.
I'm sorry.
9.
I love you.
Do you need any
Please don't marry me.
Oh, that looks nice.
Thank you.
That looks
Oh my
really
God,
nice.
oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
All right, it's cake time. How are you guys?
Stressed but blessed.
Stressed but blessed. Well, I am here to judge your cakes, and I was a little nervous when I saw you shoving the fresh fruit just like on top of the layers. I was like, that's gonna be a moment and somebody's gonna get quite the surprise bite. And I loved how you were like so slow and steady and methodical. I actually hoped that you were gonna leave it naked, that you weren't gonna do the outside and that you were gonna do like this beautiful organic naked cake moment with maybe like some flowers and just some fruit. I love that you put the details of the circle in. I think that like this is just so artistic and beautiful, and I think that your smiley face just goes and it's like such a perfect represent. Like you're so happy to be here and you're so happy to be getting married. I wanna take this cake and put it on this cake and I wanna eat them all. So right now you guys are both gonna win and you will be equally wed and set up for a delicious and very sweet life together.
You're happy with that?
Thank you all so much for watching. We're about to do some taste tests, but be sure to watch more videos on the Knots YouTube channel.
Right? Pretty decent.